Welcome to our educational video on the respiratory system. The respiratory system allows oxygen in the air to be taken into the body and letting the body get rid of carbon dioxide in the air exhaled out. This exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called respiration. The respiratory system consists of a complex network of organs and tissues that work together to allow us to breathe. It is a vital system that supports our overall health and well-being. Let us break it down. The respiratory system includes the nose, mouth, trachea, bronchi, lungs, and diaphragm. Each of these plays a crucial role in the process of breathing. Breathing starts when we inhale. As we breathe in, oxygen-rich air enters through our nose or mouth, where it is filtered, warmed, and moistened. The filtered air then enters the trachea or windpipe. At the end of the trachea are two large tubes called the bronchi. They lead to two large organs responsible for breathing called lungs. Inside the lungs, oxygen from the air is transferred into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, is removed from the blood and expelled when we exhale. Let us see how. As we have already seen, the trachea divides into left and right air tubes called bronchi. One bronchi goes to the left lung and the other one to the right. These bronchi branch into smaller and smaller tubes, much like a tree's branches called bronchioles. Bronchioles end in tiny air sacs called alveoli. Alveoli are surrounded by fine blood capillaries. Each person has hundreds of millions of alveoli in their lungs. The actual exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place through alveoli and blood capillaries. During inhalation, oxygen moves from the alveoli to the blood through the capillaries. Once in the bloodstream, oxygen gets picked up by the hemoglobin in red blood cells. This oxygen-rich blood then flows back to the heart, which pumps it throughout the body. Carbon dioxide from the cells gets dissolved in the plasma of the blood. Blood rich in carbon dioxide then returns to the heart. From the heart, this blood is pumped to the lungs, where carbon dioxide passes into the alveoli to be exhaled. To understand the details of how the heart pumps blood throughout our body, please see our video on the circulatory system. The lungs inhale and exhale with the help of a powerful muscle called the diaphragm. When we inhale, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, expanding the chest cavity and drawing air into the lungs. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and the chest cavity becomes smaller, pushing air along with the carbon dioxide out of the lungs and out of the body through the nose. So, the respiratory system helps us get the oxygen we need to live. Every cell in our body needs oxygen to stay alive. Our lungs take oxygen from the air and delivers it to the bloodstream. In the reverse process, carbon dioxide is carried by the bloodstream to the lungs, and the lungs exhale it out of our body. By understanding and curing this vital respiratory system, we can enjoy a healthier and happier life.